What is the title?
Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups.
Hiccup.
Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccup? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know.
No. I know.
Says Grumpy
Toad.
You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asked
Kelly.
How do I stop my hiccup?
I know.
Says Kelly. You stand on one foot and hop up and down.
Okay.
Pete stand on one foot. He hops up and down.
Quickly.
Hiccup, hiccup. He
Still has the hiccups. Next page. Pete asked Gus.
How do I stop my hiccups?
I know. Not I now. I now는 지금이야. I know. 나 알아. I know.
You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song.
Very good.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccup? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it.
He does it.
It doesn't it. Hiccup. Nothing is working.
다시. Nothing is working.
Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccup. Go ask Mom, says Bob. 24줄이야. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep
breath.
breath.
다시. You take a deep breath. You take
a
a deep breath.
Pete takes
A deep breath.
Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath.
Very good.
Pete blows his breath out. That is, Pete asks. That is, says Mom.
That's it. That's it.
Wait, and he waits, and
He waits.
Pete and the hiccups are gone. Mom are so smart.
Finished.
Yang 끝났어요.
So smart.